Hello, hello. How's everybody today? I'm doing good. It's a little gloomy here today, but it's still warm. We've had a really warm week, actually. We've had like a heat wave. It's crazy. It's not fall. Yeah, so I'm here with a Thrifty Thursday video. I think it's been a few weeks since I've done one, maybe 2 weeks. Because I just, I got a couple little things here and there, so I just let it accumulate. So I am, gonna do a Thrifty Thursday, Thrifty Connects. But first, if you watch my last video, I started a new collage collage glue book. And I'm not sure if I did anything else really after I stopped recording, but I think I might have. And then today I just came in and I just put, if you can see it, the shimmery, I used the metallic Posca pens to just kind of go around it. So I guess now it's technically a mixed media, it's a mixed media book, but yeah, don't care about labels. I do not care. All right, so let's jump right in. I don't think I've shown you this. I had bought a bunch of clothes on sale, and this one I specifically bought to take apart because these colors are amazing. Like, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So it's all washed. So yeah, now and I think it's linen too by the feel of it. That would be nice. Linen's a nice fabric. Nope, doesn't say. Maybe it's handmade. Could be. I don't know. Maybe. So there's that. And I just spent way too long on that. We went to Prince Edward Island last weekend before, to visit our friends. And I stopped at How Bazaar. It's a little shop. They have multiple places on the island. It's like a little, I don't know how to explain it. Those of you in Halifax, it's just like black market. It's like a little kind of hippie shop. They've got all kinds of like incense and things like that. New age, I guess new age is the correct term. Sorry, I hope I didn't insult anybody by saying hippie. Yeah, I guess kind of like a new age thing. And like they've got a lot of beach things because Prince Edward Island is very, very touristy. So yeah, anyway, I love their bags. So I'm guessing they order these from wherever. I think it said, yeah, Bali. So they order these made from India, I assume, and then stick their stickers on them. So yeah, thought that was cute. Rob bought me these. Aren't these adorable? A little axolotl and Grumpy Bear. He said Grumpy Bear is my spirit animal. I think he's a big jerk. I'm like, Grumpy Bear isn't even my favorite Care Bear. Take it off. Good Luck Bear is my favorite Care Bear. Okay, so that wasn't from How Bazaar. This is from How Bazaar. Scrunchies are back, and I've been denying it for like 2 years, but I finally got one, and it's like kind of cute, right? And I also got this little mermaid for our bathroom, our mermaid bathroom. Isn't she cute? Very cute. Oh, all this was on sale, by the way. It was on sale like 40% off. So that's why I was like, yeah, I'm going to buy some things. I got a couple of stickers. This one's for Rob. I just thought it was really cute. I figured he'd like it. It's all cuteness, right? And I got this for the house. I might hang it outside next summer. I'm not sure. Oh, sorry. I totally hit that camera. It's like a little... It's like a garland, but they had it hanging. But I imagine I could hang it as a garland, too. I never really thought of that. They had it hanging, like, straight down. Because it's got, like, loop here or whatever. So it's, like, jute and, like wood. And yeah, so I might hang that outside next summer. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. We'll see. And last but not least, I got some henna. I've never done henna before. I've never had henna done. I figured it'd be fun to play around with. I have done lots of cake decorating, so I'm imagining it's probably going to be pretty much the same thing, right? I just cut the little tip off and it's a piping bag, right? Oh, I guess I don't cut it off. It comes off. So yeah, they had this on sale. It was like $3 normal, and I got it for like almost half off. So yeah, mess around with that. See if I can, make a big mess. Okay, there's plastic tied around this because of my dear husband. Hang on, let me grab the other thing that goes with that. We had stopped at a yard sale when we were on our way to Prince Edward Island last weekend. We stopped at a yard sale, and I saw this first, and I'm like, ooh, that's really cool. So eventually I want to do like Wizard of Oz journals and things. Oh, look at this. I didn't even look at this. Oh, cool. Yeah, I definitely, oh, look at that. I definitely want to do a Wizard of Oz journal eventually. And there's some, I don't know, different cards of my, wait, I bet you those don't go with this. Do they? I feel like that's like, I don't know. I feel like these definitely look like this, but these are just weird. Exit. Like, I feel like those are probably from a different game. Yeah, look, here we go. Because Adventures of Oz. Yeah, I swear to God, these are different. Bonus! I got other cards. So, yeah, look at all this artwork. Isn't that great? That is so cool. I haven't really gone through them yet. I just kind of, I quickly kind of peeked in the package when I was there at the thing. Anyway, so she had a ton of jigsaw puzzles too, which in the spring, I was all about jigsaw puzzles. I was on a big jigsaw puzzle kick. So I know in the fall, I'm probably going to, you know, once it gets cold, winter, I'm going to want to do some more. So I went over to her and I'm like, how much is this? And she's like, 50 cents. I'm like, awesome, lady. You probably paid a good like $30 for this or something in like a game board shop or whatever. And I said, how much are your puzzles? And she was like, oh, I don't know. I mean, it depends on what size. I'm like, okay, well, 1,000. I said, because I only do thousands because I find that 500s are a waste of my time. They only take like a few hours, couple hours max. And I'm like, I'd rather have something more challenging. So she's like, well, $10 each. But if you buy more, then I will give you a deal. So I'm like, $10 for a used puzzle. I don't know. But I went over and looked, and she had a lot of puzzles that were my kind of thing. Like, I like colors. I like all kinds of little things, all kinds of objects and things. I like really super interesting puzzles. So yeah, I was like, okay, I'll get one, you know, I'll splurge. And so I went over to her with these two things, and she's like, give me $4. And I'm like, what? So I didn't know what to do at that point. I was like, okay, bye. But maybe I should have gone back and got more puzzles. But I had picked one up. They were standing up in a box and it split open and they went everywhere. Oh, this one's in a bag. Oh, good. Okay, good. Because I was like, oh God, if she has all her puzzles, like not like just loose inside me, I always put them, if they didn't come in a bag, I put them in a Ziploc bag. Yeah, when I'm done them. So yeah. I don't know. Anyway, so that one's got all its pieces, hopefully. All right. What next? Oh, this. I'm so excited about this. I got this last night. We went to HomeSense because we were looking at, a friend let us know that they was talking about these tables, the food tables. Have you guys seen these? Or they're stools or end tables? I don't know, but it's like a big stack of like, there's like Oreo cookies and they're big. Yeah, Oreo cookies. There's a stack of macaron and donuts, I think. Anyway, so I went to look because I'm like, okay, I might need these for my house. But yeah, they were $70 each, first of all. And they didn't feel like they were that, oh, excuse me, I don't know, that sturdy. They were hollow and they were definitely either like a kind of thinner resin, hollow resin, or ceramic. So yeah, I'm not sure, like I wouldn't want to sit on them if they're like hollow ceramic. That, I don't know, that just doesn't sound safe. And for end tables, like the top of them wasn't even smooth. So I guess people on the internet are putting glass tabletops on them, but yeah, at $70 and it didn't feel that sturdy, that durable. I was like, meh. So anyway, but I did come home with this. I love office supplies and things, and I love agendas and planners, but I can't have one because I every year I used to buy one, like an awesome one, and I'd use it for like 3 weeks and then never touch it again. Yeah, that's just who I am as a person. But what I've been doing lately is I've been drawing my own, actually, like desktop. This is kind of like a desk blotter kind of thing. So like desktop calendar, to keep track of things I'm doing, like video, when I post videos and things like that. So, yeah, I saw this and I was like, that is awesome. I don't have to make my own. So, you know, that's awesome. And it was only $12.99. Oh, and here's the other pages in it. Oh, and I've been looking at one of the, like, the big mouse pads, do you know what I mean? They're like pretty well like this. I think they're like this wide, and then like that. So like you have your keyboard here, but it's like this. So like you can use it as a mouse pad or like to put your wrist on or whatever. I've been kind of looking at those, but I hadn't invested in one yet. So Temu does have them, by the way. Yeah, I think this will suffice as a mouse pad too when I'm using my computer. Yeah. So love that. All right, I'm just hauling out my little blue bin. Yes, this has been a few weeks. I don't even remember what's in here. Oh wait, no. At HomeSense last night, I also bought these. Deb, one of these is for you because it was so super cheap. I don't know if I've ever seen paper pads at HomeSense, but isn't this fun? Fun backgrounds. Or Deb, if you don't want to, let me know. I mean, if it's, you know, too crazy colors. Oh, look at that. But yeah, they were $2.99 each. Yay, HomeSense. And let's see, what else did I get? Oh, this is from Rob. Barbie's Smart Sweets. He's been buying these like low sugar gummies because he loves gummies. Now that he's diabetic, that's a horrible thing for him. He loves gummies. All right, I got a bunch of different stuff in here. Let's see. I got dollar store. So this is from Dollarama. Don't know what I'll use pipe cleaners for, but they were neon, so I kind of had to have them. I'll come up with something. Definitely make something. Dollar store. I don't usually buy alphabet letters because I have like a billion of them and I don't use them. But look at the rose gold. I am so all about rose gold right now. And they're so like swoopy and elegant. I'm definitely going to find something to make with those. Oh yeah, Deb, I was going to give you some of these and I forgot when we went to the Arboretum. Yeah, just little wood shapes. Cute, right? Halloween. And I think Deb bought some of these. So we got mushrooms, little wood shapes. They're all painty. And fall leaves. Isn't that pretty? Very cute. I think Deb got some different ones, so go watch her video. I'll post it down below if I remember. Ribbon. Definitely don't need more ribbon, but I mean, look at the velvet on this. Isn't that beautiful? I know I don't have velvet ribbon like this. I might have some old velvet ribbon, like, you know what I mean? From the 80s, it's like plasticky, and then like the velour on it is just like, do you know what I mean? You guys know what I mean. Let's see. Oh, I got this from Marketplace for $10, which is well worth it. This is an old school. It's the second series. It is the You Are Here series. I believe, right? Does it say? Oh, it doesn't say. I guess they didn't name the series back then. But yeah, I collect Starbucks mugs, and they're now in like the 4th series, but I still like this series. Like it's very pretty. I liked how detailed it was. So yeah, I collect those whenever I can, even though I've broken up with Starbucks because Starbucks is crazy expensive now. It's like $9 for a coffee. And I'm like, yeah, no, I can make that at home. Thanks. So I've been like doing the International Delights big time at home. And they're always on sale. Oh, more stickers from my lovely husband. Scented stickers. I couldn't figure out quite what scent it was, but yeah, I'll have to give it another try. I didn't know. My US friends. I didn't know there was an American Care Bear. When did that happen? Because a lot of these are originals, but there are a few extras. Like this one, he's different. This one, he's got a little kite. Oh, he's cute. Little music note. So yeah, really cute, right? And Good Luck Bear is my favorite bear, by the way. Oh, and I always buy copies of Wizard of Oz and Alice in Wonderland when I see them. And this one I had never seen before. So 99 cents at Mission Thrift Store. Rob and I had run into town for something, and before we came home, I took a quick stop in Mission Thrift Store. Their prices are still pretty reasonable compared to everywhere else. And I got this Booze on First. Casper. Little golden book. And that should have been not 99 cents. Their kids' books are still 99 cents. That's good. I got this for my art gallery bathroom. It's Taking Flight 2. Leslie Burnson. So it's like a limited edition. Well, I guess it's not numbered, but it's an artist print, and it's all matte and everything on a mat, and we'll just frame it for our art gallery bathroom. Oh, and I got this at Dollar Store. I had a plan for it, but I don't remember now. I got it because it looks like rope, and I was gonna do a nautical thing because we live at the ocean, but but I'm like, we're like, no nautical things. But oh, bathroom, mermaid bathroom. My mermaid bathroom is nautical. That's about it. Then I was so excited. $1.99 Mission Thrift. Look at the pastels. So this is wallpaper. Wonderful. And then I also picked up this one. I think I might have a similar design. I'll have to check it. It's like a little, like, I don't know, what do you call that? Kind of paisley kind of thing or whatever. Not paisley. Oh, I forget the word. Oh, and I got these. Oh, are there 3 in there? Oh, I thought there were 2. These little baby composition notebooks. I don't need any more books to start glue books, but this is happening. I have a plan. Wait till you guys see. I gotta pick up a few more. Oh, I was really friggin' surprised. We had Rob had a sore throat a few weeks ago, like really bad. So we went to the pharmacy because they do a strep test there. Like he'd already done the COVID test, negatives. And so he went to the pharmacy to do a strep test. So while he was there, I was just wandering around the pharmacy, and like, they sell pip sticks. I couldn't believe it. I was like, oh my God, like, look at these. Look at the neon. And then the little skulls. Aren't those adorable? So pip sticks is normally a subscription monthly thing. But yeah, they sell them there. It was really neat. Oh, and I got some of these. Deb got like a bunch of them. They're like little sequins, but they're little cups. They're like little cupped flowers. Can you see that? Little cupped flowers, and they're iridescent. I had got some, I don't know, pink or purple, like a few years ago, and I had never seen just the white iridescent, so I grabbed some of those. Oh, and I did, was it Dollar Store? Yeah, Dollar Store, little blind bags for Sailor Moon. So I got Sailor Jupiter and Sailor Mercury. Oh, no, Sailor Mars. Duh. Sailor Jupiter, Sailor Mars. I like me some Sailor Moon. Oh, and I also got at the pharmacy for $3 a Pip Sticks notepad. Isn't that pretty? That is really adorable. So that's handy. And let me just put my little container down. I got this at Dollarama. So this is cool. That's awesome. This is cool. I like to make lists. I'm a big list maker. So yeah. So that was wake up, kick ass, and repeat. Do it with passion or not at all. Conquering all of these to-do lists is pretty amazing in itself. A little step may be the beginning of a great journey. So yeah, I thought it was really cute. It was only like a couple bucks, $2.75. And I like that it's perforated. It's perforated here too. Like, so I can use it any way I want. So I figured I'd probably have that down here in the craft room, to kind of like, you know, control my things down here. Like, since I have the blotter thing upstairs now, I'll have it on my desk. But I guess it's not a to-do list, but Rob ordered me these on Temu. They are like kawaii Alice in Wonderland charms. Deb, again, I'm sorry that there's only one of each one. If I'd have known he was ordering them, I would have gotten to order 2 sets, one for you. But go order them. I don't know what he paid. Probably not more than a few bucks. Okay. And they're all kawaii. That little, like, the rabbit chess piece is probably, like, the cutest thing. Like, probably my favorite. Aren't those stinking adorable? I love the little cards. You never see the cards in anything. And I love, love, love the little white rabbit chess piece. Yep. Very, very cute. So that is, I believe, everything. Yeah. My bin is empty. We are good to go. All right, so thanks for watching, and hope you guys are having a good creative fall. I guess it's not technically fall yet, is it? Isn't fall like first day of fall tomorrow? Next day? I don't know. That's what Rob said. I don't remember. I don't remember these things at all. Yeah, so take care, and I'll see you again soon.